In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a video in CapCut for Instagram. So this is going to be for Instagram Reels. So here's how you would do it. So once you've got your video imported onto your timeline, what I would first do is make sure you're not clicked on the video. So click on any black space. Then go and scroll over to aspect ratio. It should be around the middle, but you'll see it here at the bottom toolbar. Click on that. And then make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16. By doing this, it's going to be the ratio for Instagram Reels that you want, so click check. Now what you may find is you may have to resize your video. To resize the video, all you do is you click on the video and you can see it's now highlighted. We've got a blue highlight around it, and we can now pinch and we can drag this here to the full TikTok dimensions or the Instagram Reel dimensions, or the YouTube Shorts dimensions. Are all going to be the same. Then go to export in the top right hand corner, and it will then export this and download it to your photos. This will now be a finished video for Instagram Reels that you can upload. So here is our finished Instagram Reels. We can now go ahead and upload this to Instagram.